Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to present you my bag collection. This will be a sling bags part 1 collection and I'll be focusing on 5 sling bags today. Hope you like it and do like and share with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at the PC Story where I post daily updates about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel and more. I am a doctor by profession and fashion is always a passion for me. I have in the mid-size niche of body positivity and today I'll be presenting to you my bag collection. This will be a sling bags. These are all budget buys, very affordable, and if you want something which is stylish without burning a hole in your pocket, then this video is for you. Do keep watching. Okay, 5 bags I'll be presenting here. Most of them will be party bags as well as going out with friends, these occasion bags. So there won't be a lot of black and brown. There will be a lot of pop colors in this. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first bag that I'll present today is this red colored bag. This is a structured bag. This has pink and brown absolutely in the middle, and it's a very spacious bag. If you can see, this comes with a chain and for like your hand and as well as a sling. I usually like to keep the sling inside and I use this as a handbag. This is what it is from inside. It's a lot of space inside. You can literally put everything in this. It's a big bag and it will hold your structure. So this is a very good option if you're wearing any neutral outfit. To just add a pop of color to your outfit, this can go a long way. I usually wear these kind of bags if I'm wearing a black or white dress, and with that this just adds so much. It's a statement bag, you can say, and like I believe every girl should have a statement bag in their collection just so that they can, like amp up an outfit in a jiffy. The next bag is also a statement bag. This one is from Vero Moda. Okay, if you want the prices, the red bag was priced at rupees 300. I got it from Metro Plaza Mall, Kolkata. This one is from Vero Moda. I got this at 50% off for around rupees 1000. The thing about this bag is it has a structured snake print, as you can see. I love the print on this. It's a neon bag. I am not a huge fan of neons, but this bag just caught my attention because of its pop color and I like the texture on this. It's also quite big, and like most of my bags you can find a mask in this. Also in the pandemic era, do stay safe and carry your mask and sanitizer inside every bag that you're using. It will go a long way in keeping you safe. This is also a statement bag that you can wear for mainly daytime wear also as well as evening wear. This goes with almost everything, especially you look stunning with neutral outfits. Also, if you have any pink in your clothing, you can just use this as a pink accessory to create a monochrome look. The next bag I have is from Miniso. Miniso bags are some of my favorite. I'll be showing you 2 Miniso bags here. This is a mustard yellow, but even though it's mustard yellow, this can pass off for a neutral. You can carry this with almost everything. It's a medium size, very compact, and it holds its shape very well. You can put your mask, sanitizer, phone, keys, a lipstick, it will fit in everything, and some wallet, all of this will fit in. This is very good for a go-to bag if you are planning to go out for daytime for a long time. This will help you keep all your belongings, and also you can just throw this on any outfit, Indian, Western, and you don't need to give it a thought also. The next bag I'll show you is also from Miniso. This is actually a modified Potli bag. This end fits right here. So this is a Potli bag, and if you open this, you get this much space. I will say that even though the color is powder blue and it's such a pretty bag with a sling, but the space inside is not much. It will hold most belongings, but since there is no chain, it's a Potli, you need to put a separate pouch inside to carry your belongings. Only then will it like function properly. Otherwise you may lose your valuable things if you just put it inside. Overall, it's a very light bag. It's very lightweight. You can carry this for daytime. Also, it matches with light pale blue jeans, so it's perfect for a daily go-to bag. If you are a blue lover, this is perfect for pastels. The next bag is actually a statement party bag. It's one of my favorite bags. I got this one. Okay, both the Miniso bags were priced at rupees 500. I got this in a handicrafts fair. If you look at this closely, you can see it has a perfume bottle in the front. It has a golden chain. I have been obsessing over chains lately, and it is made up of denim, the material, and it has, if you can see, there's a holographic kind of detailing in blue glitter. This bag is perfect for a day out with friends or like any party. If you are wearing this blue color, ice blue jeans, and you take this bag with you, you can pair it with any top and it will always look good. This is a perfect statement bag for those vacations that we can't have right now, and parties also that we can't do right now. But I believe every girl should have a collection, statement bag in her collection that is just solely for parties, so that your everyday jeans and tee look can be amped up just in a minute. I will be doing a part 2 of this. Till then, do keep supporting me, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.